life-threatening drug Pradaxa is facing claims after some folks are saying the drug caused them internal bleeding, including 2 local men. I recently sat down with attorney Jim Higgins to learn more.
Pradaxa is a anticoagulator, anti-stroke drug that's come out fairly recently, and there's been probably by the end of this year about 1,000 lawsuits filed. It's a drug that's still being prescribed. For 50 years. Generally, the drug of choice has been Coumadin, which is used as a blood thinner. And Pradaxa came out, mainly started being used because it works much quicker than Coumadin. But what we believe and why these lawsuits are starting to be filed is we believe that it actually may increase the risk of stroke in some of these cases. And there's just been some really tragic cases with people taking Pradaxa. It's still on the market. It's still being debated among experts and doctors as to what dangers it may have, if any. But right now we have some clients that we're pursuing these to kind of dig in to find out was Pradaxa the reason for the stroke? Could have been prevented? What did the company that produces this drug know about it, and what's going to happen with it?
Right. So since it's still on the market, folks even watching today could still be taking it. What should they do if they're taking Pradaxa?
Sure. Well, like anytime there's a potential recall or litigation, you can't panic. You really, like me or anyone, you've got to have some trust in your physician or your heart doctor or whoever prescribed it for you. It's something that you might want to sit down and talk with them, ask them, why they're taking it. Is there an alternative that they feel that it may be safer? And their physician may not. They may think the benefits of that drug outweigh any risk. And we know with almost all medications, there's always some risk or side effect, just like on every ad we see.
Absolutely.
But it's something that, don't take yourself off of it. Don't do anything dangerous like that. But I would talk to my physician about it and the concerns that are being raised in this litigation.
And there is a possibility someone may know someone who suffered a stroke or even died from taking Pradaxa. What should they do then?
Well, yeah, in so many of these cases, I think people don't realize that may be a potential cause. But if someone has had that problem, if they have had a loved one that suffered a stroke, or if they have and they were on this medication, then they're welcome to call our office. Our staff has a list of questions that we look at to determine, risk factors that the person was on it, how much they were on, how long they were taking it. We have experts that we work with that can review the case and see if it's something that they may have a claim. And if they do, if they've suffered some of these damages, hopefully a claim may help address the losses they have, the medical bills, the lost wages. I mean, a stroke is a devastating thing. It can really be that way. Right. And so if we find out as we think that this may be a risk of this drug and we can help folks by getting some of those damages redressed, then we're going to do that. So we don't mind talking to people. They're welcome to call and discuss what their options are with us.
Right, really helping them through it. Thanks, Jim.
Thank you very much.
The Higgins firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 615-353-0930, or for more info, check out higginsfirm.com.